Hello children, good morning. How are you all? I think everybody is fine. Once again I am going to tell you children, please take care of your health. Okay. Before starting the class, let me discuss what I taught you in the previous class. What I taught you in the previous class children, I think I have given you a PDF, right? PDF of lesson puppet show. Okay. I think you have written that PDF in CW very nicely. In this class, I am going to start with a new lesson children. Okay. Before starting that new lesson, let me ask you questions. In the environment, there are two types of things are there, right? Living things and non-living things. Okay, we have made a separate living things and non-living things. For what we call as a living things, those who walk, those who have their food, such a things we call as a living things. Okay, non-living things means which don't have a life. Okay, ಅವಕ್ಕೇನು ನಾನ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಡೆದ್ರು ಓಕೆ ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ಅವಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಸೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. So those things called as a non-living things. Okay, inert living things children, give me example. Human being, animals, right? Non-living things, it may be a building, duster or a table. Okay, that we call as a non-living things. Okay, in the living things, the man is also a living thing, right? Animals are also living things. Okay, today we will start with a lesson related to the animals. Okay, what is that? A trip to the jungle. Okay, a trip to the jungle. A trip to the a trip to the jungle. Jungle means what children? Trip means what? Trip means a tour or a picnic, right? Trip means tour or a picnic. Jungle means forest. Okay, where they are going children? They are going to the picnic for the forest. Okay, why they are going to the forest children? What are there in that forest? Forest alli ene nodtivi? We can see the variety types of trees, right? Variety types of animals, right? Wild animals. These we see in a jungle. Okay, then let us see children. Today I am going to start with the lesson that is a trip to the jungle. Take out your textbook, page number 57 you have to open. Okay, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಜೊತೆಗೇ ಕೂಡಬೇಕು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ಫಿಲ್ಮ್, ರೈಟ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಟು watch it without putting any textbook or a CW like that. Okay, while you are watching the videos, please sit with the related subject textbooks. Okay, then only you will get what ma'am is teaching, which lesson she is teaching, which lesson I have to read today. Okay, take out your textbook children. You are very good children. I think you will open the related textbook while you are watching the video. Okay, open page number 57 children. Now I am going to read one para. After that para I am going to explain about that para. Okay, there are many animals in this picture. Okay, they have given here on picture children. Okay, one boy and one girl is sitting. Then they have opened the textbook. Okay, in that textbook they have watching the forest. Okay, there are many animals are there in this picture. They have opened a forest picture, right? Obviously they can see the animals as it's a jungle. Okay, illénive ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು animals ave ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? Jungles ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Okay, see, name the animals you can see in the picture. Where do you find these animals? Okay, see, after opening the textbook children, they have seen some animals. Okay, about that animals they have given here one lesson for you. In this class I am going to teach about that lesson children. Look at your textbook. Manu and Jimmy have come to visit Uncle Bitto. Uncle Bitto's house is close to a jungle. Let's go to the jungle. Uncle Bitto says one day, you will see all sorts of animals there. The children are happy. On the way, Manu and Jimmy make animal sounds. They sing a song. We are going to the jungle with our uncle. We are where we will see a tiger roar and rumble. See it children. While they are going to the forest, they have what? Say one poem. What is that? We are going to the jungle. We are going to the jungle with our uncle, where we will see a tiger roar and a rumble. Okay, it's a poem they have said here children. Manu and Jimmy were two children. Okay. Have come to visit Uncle Bitto. Uncle Bitto, it's a name of a uncle. What's his name, children? Bitto. Okay, Uncle Bitto. UNCLE, Uncle Bitto. Okay, it's the name of a uncle. Bitto is the name of uncle. Uncle Bitto's house is close to a jungle. Okay, Uncle Bitto mane ellittu? Bus stand hatra itta? No, it's very nearer to the forest. Jungle is nothing but children forest. Okay, let's go to the jungle. Uncle Bitto says one day you will see all sorts of animals there. Okay, when that children told to the uncle that let's go, he said so many varieties of animals are there. If I take you to the forest, you can see many variety types of animals there, children, he said. Okay, the children are happy. On the way, Manu and Jimmy make animal sounds. They sing a song. See here, children, to make it clear, I will give you example. Obviously you are a children, right? You are very happy to see a variety type of situation, variety type of people in the world. Okay, ನೀವು ಚಿಕ್ಕವರಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ಏನು ಎಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್. ಎಲ್ಲದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಾಸಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಮಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಮನು ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಮಿ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಯೂರಿಯಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಫುಲ್ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓ ನೋಡೋಣ ನಡಿ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಕರೀತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂಕಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಹಾಡು ಹಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ? ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಜಂಗಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ಅಂಕಲ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾನು ಜಂಗಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ? ಅಂಕಲ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವೇ ವಿ ಸಿ ಅ ಟೈಗರ್ ರೋರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಜಂಗಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಏನು ಒದರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಚೀರ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಟೈಗರನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಪೇಜ್ ನಂಬರ್ 57, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. Turn that page slowly. Next, look at here. When they reach the jungle, Uncle Bittu says, Manu and Jimmy, come with me. Let's see what birds and animals we can spot. See here. When they reach the jungle, with whom they went to the jungle, children? With their uncle. What's the name of uncle? Bittu. Okay, both the children are went to the forest with the uncle. Uncle jothe ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ that uncle called two children, Manu and Jimmy. What's the name of children? Manu and Jimmy. Okay, he called the two children, Manu and Jimmy. Barri ಇಲ್ಲಿ you can see a variety type of birds and animals here. Come and enjoy here. Then he asked, he told. Okay, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಬರ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ತರದಂತ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಅವೆ, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, there are lots of trees in the jungle. Lots means many. Okay, the children sit down. They hear some birds chirping. Cheep cheep they sing. See here, when they went to the forest, they started to watch the animals. Okay, after watching they sat one side. Then they hear the voice of the animals and a sound. Animals ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ರೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಚಿರ್ಪಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತವೆ? ಕೂಗ್ತವೆ. ಓಕೆ, they started to listen that sound. When we will see animals, Manu asked Uncle Bittu. Okay, ಅಂಕಲ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಮನು, ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಾವು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Soon, Uncle Bittu replies, but we have to be quiet. Then he asks the children to look up at the trees. There are monkeys in trees. They are eating fruit and swinging from branch to branch. See here, children. When that Manu asked to his uncle, when we are going to watch the what animals, uncle, like that. When he asked to his uncle, he said, we can see, but you should keep quiet. ನಾವೇ ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಬಾಯಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ? ನಾವೇ ನಮ್ಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಬಟ್ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆದರಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೂ ಮತ್ತೊಬ್ರು ಹೆದರ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ಇಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಟು ದ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ ನೋಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಹಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತದ? ಮನುಷ್ಯರೆಲ್ಲ ನೋಡುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಹೆದರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ಅವ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದ, ಅಂಕಲ್ ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗೋದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅವ ಸೊಕಾಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅಂಕಲ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಟ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀನು ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಮೆನಿ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ನೀನು ಸುಮ್ಮನಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವೇ ಬಾಯ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವ? ಓಡೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾವು. ನಾವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೂ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? Soon Uncle Bittu replies, ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಶಾಂತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. Then he asked the children to look up at the trees. Okay, while they were walking, children, suddenly that Bittu told to his children, look at there. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟ್ರೀ ಇತ್ತಂತೆ. ಟ್ರೀದೊಳಗೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಮಂಕಿಗಳು ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಟ್ರೀದೊಳಗೂ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಮಂಕೀಸ್ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ ಮಂಗ್ಯಗಳು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥರ ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಜಿಗಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾವೆ, ರೈಟ್? So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ usually the parents used to call you as a monkey, right? Why? Because you are not sitting in one side. Okay, then you started to do the disturbing others. Okay, ಮಂಕಿಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕೂಡಲ್ಲ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿ ತಲೆ ತುರ್ಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ರೆ ತೆಗೆಯೋದು, ತಿನ್ನೋದು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಕೆಲಸ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹಾರಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೂಡೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಸೊ ಯುವರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಟು ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಆಸ್ ಅ ಮಂಕಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಮಂಗ್ಯಗಳು ಹಂಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾವೆ, ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಜಿಗಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. ಓಕೆ, that monkeys which are there in the forest, that are doing same thing, children. Okay, the children want to see more animals. They walk on with Uncle Bittu. Suddenly they see a sleepy tiger with its cub. The cubs climb on the tiger's back. The children are scared. They talk softly. See here, children. So after watching that monkeys, again they started to walk. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಂಕಿಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮುಂದೆ ನಡೀತಾ ಹೊಂಟುಬಿಟ್ರು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೊಂಟಿದ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ ತರ ಕೂಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು. ಅಂಕಲ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾವ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಅವೋ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂಗ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತ ಹೊಂಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಟೈಗರ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಬ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೈಗರ್ ಬೇಬಿಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನಾವು? ಕಬ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಕಬ್. The baby of tiger called cub. ಓಕೆ, ಅದೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ, ತನ್ನ ಪಾಪನ್ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮ್ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಟೈಗರ್. ಓಕೆ, ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಗರ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ cub. Okay, see next. The children want to see more animals. They walk on with Uncle Bittu. Suddenly they a sleepy tiger with its cub. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರು ಅವರು? ಮಲಗಿರೋ ಅಂತ ಟೈಗರ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು. ಆ ಟೈಗರ್ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ಇತ್ತು? ವಿತ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕಬ್, ರೈಟ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸಾರಿ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್, ದ ಕಬ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೈಂಬ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಟೈಗರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತು, ಅವ್ರ ಮನುಷ್ಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ ತಾಯಿ ನಿದ್ದೆ ಹೊಡ್ಯಾಕತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಪಾಪು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ಕಬ್ಬು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಿಂಗ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕತ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಓಕೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದ, ಪಟಕ್ಕನ ಹೋಗಿ ಅದು ತಾಯಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಕುಂತು ಬಿಡ್ತು. ಸೊ ದೇ ಬಿಕೇಮ್ ಸ್ಕೇರ್ಡ್. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ ಕೂಲಿಗತ್ತದಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಹೆದರಿ ಬಿಟ್ರು. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ದೇ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಟಾಕ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. Aren't the cubs scared of tiger? Manu whispers. ಅಂದ್ರೆ aren't the cubs scared of tigers? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬು ಟೈಗರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೆದರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ತಾಯಿ ಅದು, ರೈಟ್? No, the tiger doesn't harm the cub. She is their mother, Rimi says. See here, children. ನಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರ್ತೀವಾ? No. Why? She is our mother, right? ನಾನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾನೇನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರ್ತೀನಿ, ಬೇರೆದವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆದರ್ತೀನಿ. Why? Because they are strangers, right? That children thought that he is a stranger. Kabbu tiger stranger anta ankuntu. Okay, but no, the tiger doesn't harm the cub. Tiger ಕಬ್ಬಿಗೆ ತೊಂದರೆ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಬ್ಬಂದ ತಾಯಿ ಯಾರು? ಟೈಗರ್. ಓಕೆ, Uncle Bittu gives his camera to the children. They take a photographs of the animals. Now the sun is setting. It's a time to home. The children wave goodbye to the animals. Okay, see here, children. Then there is a limitation for a zoo to watch. Okay, zoo ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಪನಿಂಗ್ ಟೈಮು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿಡೋ ಟೈಮು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಇಷ್ಟು ಗಂಟೆಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದೇ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಟ್ರಿಪ್. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಒಂದಿನ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 10 o'clock ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನ ನೋಡೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ, ಏನೇ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ನೋಡೋದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಟೈಮ್ 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. 6 ಗಂಟೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೇಟ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಬಂದೀವಿ, ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣಪ್ಪ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ದು ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರು. ಆಗಲೇ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಮುಳುಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಓಕೆ, then they said goodbye to the animals. When they get home, they show the photographs to their aunt. The tiger has a family like says Manu, pointing to one of the photographs. Watching them, it is a lot of fun. See here. After going to the home, I think they didn't go to the forest with her aunt. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಂಕಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂಕಲ್ ಜೊತೆ. ಅಂಟಿನ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ರೈಟ್. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಡನ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಅಂಕಲ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೀನ್ ಮೆನಿ ಆನಿಮಲ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ, ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ ಇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಇಬ್ರು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡಿ ಆಂಟಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಂಟ್ they were a cub, then it's not feeling a scare towards his mother tiger, like that they used to tell. Okay, they whatever they have seen in one day, after going home they decided to explain complete about the in front of the aunt children. Okay, aunt ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿರೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Okay, I hope everybody have understood this lesson children. Let me ask you some questions. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? I have explained this in Kannada also. Okay, what is the name of two children? What is the name of two children? ಎರಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದ್ರು. Okay, what is the name of those people? Manu and Jimmy. Okay, the name of two children were Manu and Jimmy. Then what is the name of the uncle? Bittu. Okay, where was his home? और ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ? Near to the jungle. Right. Then where they went for one day trip ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ? Forest. Okay, then which animal they have seen first ಯಾವ ನೋಡಿದ್ರು? They have seen first monkey. Right. After that tiger with the cub. Okay, these all they have seen and they enjoyed a lot with the uncle. I hope everybody have understood the class children. One time I am going to read the complete lesson. Which line I am going to read now, you have to put a finger on that line. Okay, then only you will come to know which word we have to pronounce how and everything. Okay, after in the next class I am going to explain about this exercise children. Okay, read the lesson. We will start to read the lesson now. Lesson number 6, a trip to the jungle. Okay, lesson number 6, a trip to the jungle. There are many animals in this picture. Yes, it's a jungle. Name the animals you can see in the picture. Where do you find these animals? Manu and Jimmy have come to visit Uncle Bittu. See here children, which line I am going to read in. You have to keep a finger on that line. Okay, Manu and Jimmy have come to visit Uncle Bittu. Uncle Bittu's house is close to a jungle. Let's go to the jungle. Uncle Bittu says, one day you will see all sorts of animals there. The children are happy. On the way, Manu and Jimmy make animal sound. They sing a song. Okay, see here children, when they decided to go to the forest, they started to sing a song. We are going to the jungle with our uncle, where we will see a tiger roar and rumble. Okay, it's a poem, 4-line poem they have sung. Okay, turn that page. When they reach the jungle, Uncle Bittu says, Manu and Jimmy, come with me. Let's see what birds and animals we can spot. There are lots of trees in the jungle. The children sit down. They hear some birds chirping. Cheep, cheep, they sing. When will we see animals? Manu asks Uncle Bittu. Soon, Uncle Bittu replies, but we have to be quiet. Then he asks the children to look up at the trees. There are monkeys in trees. They are eating fruit and swinging from branch to branch. The children want to see more animals. They walk on with Uncle Bittu. Suddenly they see a sleepy tiger with its cub. The cubs climb on the tiger's back. The children are scared. They talk softly. Aren't the cubs scared of tiger? Manu whispers. Whispers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಕಾಶಂಗೆ ಗುಸುಗುಸು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that we call it whispers. No, the tiger doesn't harm the cub. She is their mother, Rimi says. Uncle Bittu gives his camera to the children. They take photographs of the animal. Now the sun is setting. Setting means Surya Munugo time. Okay. It is a time to go to the home. The children wave goodbye to the animals. When they get home, they show the photographs to their aunt. The tiger has a family like ours, says Manu, pointing to one of the photographs. Watching them is a lot of fun. Okay. It's about the complete lesson, children. I have taught you this lesson completely, and also I made you to read this 2 times. Right. Next, in the next class, I am going to teach with the exercise. Okay. With the help of PDF. In the next class, I am going to send you the PDF related to this lesson. After that class, I am going to explain about this exercise with the help of that PDF. Okay. Now, what homework I am going to give you? See, children, tests are coming soon, right? So, what you have to do? You have to prepare for examination. How many lessons I have given you for the portion? You have to prepare for the exam, children. Okay. Prepare for exam. Which exam? FA1, right? FA1. So, homework. Okay. See, actually, I am not going to give you any writing homeworks. Whatever I have sent you the PDF, I think you have written this one very neatly in the CW. You have to write it. Okay. 100 times reading is equal to 1 time writing. Okay. 100 sari ಓದೋದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? 1 ಸಾರಿ ಬರೆದು ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. Okay. See, just holding the books and no need to make a time pass. What you have to do, whatever you have read, you have to practice it in a rough notebook. Okay. One rough notebook ಒಳಗೆ ಬರೆದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? Practice ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. I hope everybody have understood the class, children. Thank you for watching my video. Meet you in the next class. Have a nice day.